Welcome back, beauties, to Beautyistic. I've got something exciting to share today for anyone looking to perfect their base makeup. We're exploring the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Finish Longwear Liquid Foundation in the shade 09 Nude. This is a liquid foundation promising medium to full coverage, a natural finish, and hydration without the heaviness of oils, formulated for all skin types. Right off the bat, the product comes in a sleek, frosted glass bottle with a pump applicator, which feels high-end and hygienic. The foundation itself is designed to offer buildable coverage, which means you can go light for a natural look or layer it up for a more polished, flawless finish. Key ingredients include hyaluronic acid and coconut water, aiming to hydrate and nourish the skin, while the oil-free formula helps keep shine under control throughout the day. When I put this foundation to the test, it blended beautifully. I applied it with both a brush and a damp sponge to see the difference, and in both cases, it felt lightweight and comfortable, never cakey or heavy. The medium coverage claimed is accurate. It covered redness and minor blemishes effectively, and when layered, it approached full coverage without looking mask-like. The finish is soft and natural, giving a healthy skin-like glow without emphasizing texture, which is a common concern for liquid foundations. One of the highlights for me was how it performed over time. On my skin, it lasted around 8 to 9 hours without major fading, oxidation, or breakouts, which is impressive for a foundation that's hydrating yet oil-free. However, I did notice that on very dry patches, it required careful moisturizing underneath to prevent slight clinging. So prepping your skin properly is key. The pros are definitely its lightweight feel, buildable coverage, and natural finish that works beautifully for everyday wear. The oil-free, hydrating formula is also great for those with combination skin who want moisture without shine. As for cons, it's on the pricier side compared to drugstore options, and the shade range, while decent, may not cover every undertone perfectly, so testing is essential. In terms of value, the quality and performance justify the price if you're looking for a foundation that lasts, hydrates, and looks natural. Comparatively, some high-end foundations may offer longer wear or broader shade ranges, but the blend of comfort, coverage, and finish makes this a standout. Packaging is solid, and the pump ensures minimal product waste, while the formula itself should remain stable over its shelf life if stored properly. If you're considering alternatives for a slightly lower budget, foundations like L'Oreal True Match or Maybelline Fit Me offer similar natural finishes and buildable coverage, though they might not match the skin-nourishing ingredients found here. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Too Faced Born This Way delivers on its promises. It's hydrating, yet oil-free, medium to full coverage that feels natural and has real staying power. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a versatile, skin-friendly foundation that can transition from a light day look to more full coverage evening wear. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this foundation, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Links to purchase are in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.